You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Director of the United States Office of Management and Budget. If you want to learn more names from the American administration and politics, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more for you. Russel Vought is how it's pronounced. This is the American English pronunciation of the name. Russel Vought. Russel Vought. Easy once you know Russel Vought, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.